Right, we've had some goodies delivered to look at. So this should be a Range Rover L405 2018 SVO body kit. So that should be this front bumper here. So it's quite striking. It's got this sort of big lower diffuser that's quite striking. This will only fit the 2018 on cars, because you got the width of the grille here is different. I could get actually a grill. I'll go and get a grill and we'll have a look at it when we get it out. But let's unbox it first and see what it looks like. So we've just got a couple of boxes here. We haven't got the full kit, mainly just the front bumper. So these are two little bits. We'll have a look at those in a minute. Do you wanna? Yeah. We're in Julian's lab. We haven't got any room in the workshop, so we're in the lab. Look, we've got the 3D printer and the laser cutter. Got the hydrographics. Let's have a look at the main bumper first, Julian. Yeah, do you want to grab the camera, Julian? Yeah, right then. So let's have a look. It's a dusty old box, man. What Land Rover's warehouse is like? Oh, look at that. Right, so obviously, yeah. So the side near the camera there, that's the bottom there, and that's what you get. So when you buy the bumper on its own, you get just the bumper. There's no other bits in this box. Let me get it out. Have a look what that looks like. So there we go, you've got the front bumper. So there's obviously a grille, and we'll have a look at what's in those other boxes. On the back, let's take a look. So you've got all your bits for where it bolts onto your wing here. I'm trying to think. The other thing to watch when you're buying bumpers and body kits for these things is parking sensors, cameras and washer jets. So let's just have a look at that on the front. Can you remember what spec this one was, Junior? Is it with cameras or?
I believe it was without.
So yeah. So this, I think, is with the park assist. So you've got the extra parking sensor holder in the side wheel arch there. Okay, so you can put blanks in, but if you need it, and then what else have we got in there? There's no other holes for any other cameras or parking sensors. So it'll be interesting to see where they go, wouldn't it, Junior?
It would.
I don't know where they fit. Oh, and this is the other thing you've got is, you've got that's what I'll come around to you then. You've got the hole here for so if you've got, I think all models pretty much now have the xenon or the LED headlights, and this is where the headlight washer comes up. But on some of the older cars, you have to, if you had halogen headlights, you didn't have the washers. So you had to order the right bumper depending on your headlight spec. Right, let me just put that down a minute. Let's look what was in those other boxes. Is it going to stay there? What do we get in these other boxes? So yeah, you'll need a couple of fog light brackets. So these are going to go inside behind here somewhere to mount your fog light. What else have we got in here? Yeah, we haven't got the full kit yet, but I just thought I'd share this. And this must be the front blade. I'm guessing it's for that other side there, Julian. So that's going to go in like that, and there must be a mesh. But that's a big old opening, isn't it?
It is.
That's massive. Right, let me just go and get a grill and show you the difference between the two grills. Right, I've just gone and grabbed the grill. So this is for a 2013 L405. What you can see, if I line it up with this end, just so you can see the length difference. So it's roughly lined up at this end, and you go to the other end, you can see how you can't fit this on an early car, because it's like a jigsaw puzzle, and the grille and the headlights, also the headlights are a different shape on the 2018. It's much squarer here. So if we go across and look at the picture, oh, I'm looking at my own website. Where was the picture? Here we go. You see that the headlight's much squarer in this area. Actually, one thing we did just notice as well was we found the parking sensors. One is in the fog blade here, and the other one here is in this front trim, and then the front camera's there. So as far as the bumper goes, the only important thing is whether you've got the park assist with this side parking sensor. I don't know if you can see that on the screen. Right, there we go. There's a quick introduction to the Range Rover L405 SVO body kit 2018.